engikhalelayo ukuthi nje anisibukile ningafiki nenze into zenu like bafike manje sebasurroundisa manje yabo sebathi kushoda irider kushoda imali yashota yabo into engiporayo because abasithathi serious and yiba basilethela cabanga ke ngisuke edleni singiye Orange Farm ngifika lapha yake angisena netransport yokubuyela mara wena
ungibukile serious
transport
now sure that's bad hey
so mele thina sidonse sikhwameni sethu futhi siyafuna
amanye futhi ama challenges studio time yeah indaba studio time now
yeah
ibaningi sanokuthi sifike studio kugcwele sakwazi ukuspana kahle and stuff yabo
ngicela bobani
like asispana ama-artist manje
sonke silambile
sonke silambile manje ukufaka ngiyalifila nami sesigcina manje track sesi5 manje now ilisten amamamela usezwa umamelani uculeka ezinjalo studio time naso ya studio time inyanya.
And then what are some of the good side of the industry?
Good side?
Yeah. Money.
Only money.
Only money that we want.
So have you ever like guys an experience maybe in that but siwa na kuna Spanish because you've worked with a lot of people yabo.
Yeah.
Kube indaba zokuthi manje masekumele kwenza izinto ezigrand. Mhlawumbe someone began promise into ethize or navumelana ngento ethize kwaSpanwa. But I think it's just studio wise.
Yeah.
Ngaba indaba zama royalty or indaba zokuthi maybe ben1099 funi ibooking yabo studio vele nesifakile la yabo izinto njani ezinjalo. Have you ever like had a yabo leyo situation in the studio whereby it's like manje lo mjita ngathi manje
siyasro
yeah
yenza le angeke sisivume
ngiyesivume
because hey mina yo ngiyayidinga imali yami mele ngithenge iband at least indlela ithi ibe right something
mele ngithenge pump
because yazi mawufika endlini umama expect something so angeke ngisebenzele mali yabo
yeah that's true.
So where do you see your music in the future, like vision-wise? Where do you want South Africa like to look at you?
Ngithathe ngisengaphesheya.
Yeah. Angaya nje ngara.
Angaya le.
Nami izokwami udlale futhi nangara.
Where outside?
Yeah, UK. Everywhere. Plus your music, uyabona ipiano selenzani manje? Selihamba le.
Yeah.
International. Angazithole France.
Okay.
So manje mbafethu ngicela nokuthunela ingane like your top 5 producers right now, piano producers and top 5 vocalists. Inyazi ngicela ningayenza into ningazifaki ku top 5 ama vocalists. I know you have to believe in yourself dog. Yeah. You're number 1. We know that. But just give me like angithi as a listener outside of wena.
Yeah.
No true. Angazi kuzoba ngqala.
Ngaqalela producers. Number 1, obviously, Kabza.
Okay.
Yo, mangaspana nale ouch. Kabza. Number 2, ngayinika bani? Ngayinika umtu.
Yeah, shout out to Upa.
Number 3, Mumu.
Okay. Shout out.
King P.
King P for footy for the new wave.
King P, yeah.
King P wenza kakhulu manje.
King P. Bani munye.
Melon Sleazy.
Father Figure.
Yeah,
Father Figure. Then vocalist Scotty, Ubani, Ishoka,
Cowboy.
Zuma Risa,
producer yami, Tunovich.
Yeah, Tunovich.
Simbekeni phezulu.
Imethaqedwe ushada ngabantu abayi2 ama vocalist ayi2. Uthi ama role model wakho Zuma no Risa.
Yeah, Zuma
Risa.
Scott
Mapumo Malu.
Actually a young nigga.
Shake.
Then yeah, Zuma Risi, Cowboy. Bani uncool.
Shout out Cool. Last nigga.
Mara yabona lento ababizile. Yibo abantu engifuna ukusebenza nabo.
Maybe now ngaba bakho nabakho yabo ukuthi akababizanga. Just 5 producers, 5 vocalists.
Melon Sleazy. Abaningi uKabza naye. Maphorisa. Like maningi yo. Mathini ufelo. Ngiwanti ngathi ya mangasebenza na so kuma artist Cowboy Khawuzaza vele. Scott. Yeah, Scott. Intwana zami nje zasemakazana eziphushayo. Father figure. Yeah, you want to ngikhuluma ngawo.
How do like normally because yabo ama fans wenu nama supporters wenu and viewers don't normally get ithuba lokwazi ukuthi how do they get hold of you, but they always see you. Angasithi abaniboni yabo social media seyikhule kakhulu. You guys are always doing lives and izinto nyana ezinjalo yabo. So manje like to lentwana oringa ngazo ngithola ukuthi intwana yana vele emakasana yabo ekubonayo enibonayo ba like man esha makhotman nami one day yabo ufuna ukuspana now. How do they keep on yabo ukuthi banibangela isicefe because yabo yazi things take time yabo izinto nyana ezinjalo, but banithola kanjani bathi khotman
bakhona abasitextayo vele kuwo vele lama social media platforms. Basitext kakhulu Facebook basitexta futhi ke thina sibashaya ngebhomo sibakamzimba ngitshela umuntu ukuthi mafuna ukuspana ngitshela ngisendele ispan sakho ngizokuspana kanjalo mo grand siyaspana moya ngithola into enjalo
If not ke ilale
sikuba ish
yashaya amakhwe. Siyaphatalisa for future.
So what was the moment where you were like, when Ananje, we have arrived? Take me to that moment where you're like, yo, was it a performance? Was it working with someone? Or was it a song? What moment where you're like, yo, guys, we're actually famous? Like, we're here. Okay.
Indaba zayizolo TikTok yabe sifikile. Futhi nje
Ilabe siyenza kakhulu kitchima kakhulu. Yabona wonke umuntu.
Namagig amaningi aze lapho nje futhi masiperforma. Kusixova kakhulu kusixova.
Okay.
Which one's the first part of the
Amapati kaSixova lawa kudala.
Wasekuqaleni
Extreme.
Beka at the spot,
The sport kahle.
The spot, safika lapha saperforma. Bengiqala ukushayela isingalonga ngoma yami.
Speaking of you saying it blew up on TikTok, what is the importance of social media and as an artist with you guys, and how has it benefited you guys?
Kusiphushela music sister.
Into engayisho ne social media yiyo eboostayo. Because angeke uthi uyaspana ne uzobona ubani if like upost ku social media mele babone ispan sakho ukuthi kenzakalani. Abantu bayilaba abona khona bagcina sebakhalela laba kudonsa khona ama celebrity into ezinjalo.
Even ambelana nama bookings, thola ama bookings ngeke sispane then nabo ma promo something sishayayo ukuze babone ukuthi ushokano lo kwenzela abantu abaso.
Kahle yiyo into esibeke lapha.
Okay.
Into esibeke la promote music. If I promote music mawuhlalisa phansi la ke uyawuvalela phela wena. Fanele music.
So manje bafethu njengoba nibona yabo kwenzakalani indaba zabo G Power yabona and all of that. So ever since you guys nibe like in industry kanje, have you guys ever had maybe like an instance whereby maybe banhintelanyana with like about the dark side of the industry, what the boy was talking about in the bazama ritual yabona sacrifice into njalo abagazi bantutsi abakantutsi because uyashuthi naye kudala bamtutsi yabo manje it was different
abakastutsi ukuthi sazibalekela
nakhona maybe ukuthi asikakafiki kulabantu labo
yabo skybone lo side.
But then yabona ukuthi mina I feel like it's a good thing ukuthi he came out yabo because now because of him abantu ababhase ba aware
what's happening.
Showcase.
And which artists do you want to work with in South Africa and also internationally?
Million Sleaze. La South Africa Million Sleaze.
Okay.
Ngaphandle like yazi ne hip hop angimameli. Ngizimamela mina kakhulu, ngizivalela ngami. Nanoma ngiserweni. Ngiyazigumbaza ngami.
Okay.
Ufuna noma mama shaya singalong nanoma gezi.
Mina sister ukabza ngayi.
Okay.
Then ngara ngazi.
So you don't have you don't listen to the music, international music.
I say ngiyamamela sometimes. Yeah, ngara DJ
Mangihleli naye because yena usano connect
ngara DJ best. Ngazizamanyana le style sakhe.
Showcase.
Because it's umuntu othanda ukuzama vele into ezisha nje.
So what are the 5 things ne ukuthi abantu abakhethi abashana and best benefits as umuntu ukuthi now like into uthi uyazi uthi ugel mawubamba ugel uthi ujola naye lo that benefits uvuke ekuseni like you know ukuthi okay this is my shit.
First things first, Lerata. Number 2, lidana da ngifuna uchayiza imali yamantombazana asile.
Ayibo. What do you mean?
Yo, ngizibonile sister. Ngizibonile.
Inene.
Yeah, katika nguloko kuphela okuninga. Yeah, uthando nje
ngizithandela umuntu wami ke mina self. Ezinye ukuthi ugel wenzeni intombazana wadwa uyazi naye. Ngifa ngaye fucked up.
Wow, okay. Shout out to her. So now speaking of girls, you know girls and fame.
Yeah.
They will throw their panties, they will twerk for you, they will DM you, they'll say they don't mind. You know, how is that? Since you guys are in relationships and you spoke before you've got a kid, you're with your baby mama, and you've got a serious girlfriend. So how is that? And how is it to them also, your spouses, you know?
Mina like uyonke into engifunayo.
Okay.
So sikho isikhathi. Into engayisho ngoba
So mabeza bokele.
Ngihlezi nginaye. Kwanokuthi nje sihlala sonke phela mina.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to keep it easy. What's up? And what about you, Lorenzo?
Mina sister right. Shayikhwe mina angisafuna omunye ngikright.
Right.
So now you with your baby moms.
Yeah, I'm baby mama.
See, stop saying this thing of saying
Yes, guys, Lorenzo and Shotgun out there, they are taking.
Fixing the cans.
Please, don't even think about it. And you guys are in happy relationships, correct?
Mnandi kanjani?
But this one's not sure.
Ngisho mina.
Don't bother not take about it.
Ngisho 100%.
What am I doing? Right? Ain't no trees, no
So also, you Keta speaking also about rituals. What do you think of what Debucho is saying? You know, about this whole thing, like, you know, what's your take? Because it's people also in your industry. You know,
they've heard similar things, similar stories, types.
That's into engayisho.
Okay.
Into emakwe yakho ifune. Like angeke nabo ngeke uvume khotman. Because uyayidinga into yakho, imali yakho uyayidinga. Into engayisho. Angeke mina ngambe ngivume.
La claim like.
Yena lento ayishoyo asazi ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso na.
Too short,
Yo,
Manje engayisho ukuthi hayi.
Uyayifuna
imali yakhe.
Kahle kahle imali yakhe. Wena Lorenzo,
ayi sister mina ngiconfirm ne mara lento bekayikhuluma into ekhona. Lezi zama watwat inyoka watwat. Yeah, into ekhona mara asazi ukuthi yena lebe kayisho ukuthi bamenze waziwa uyena abegrand la khona
abegrand
so if I know you guys said you're in happy relationships and all that.
Wow,
but if life was fair and you had it your way, dog, who would you be dating?
Let's do this, Cat. Smash, marry, or kill?
Alright, but not is okay. So, do come on the first one. I'll take
Chili
off.
Pongolo.
Yo.
Kabumpela. Wait, I'm sure wait three. My God, I'm sure we look at it. You're gonna smash this one, gonna marry or kill. So it's Chili Pongolo, Kabumpela, and who?
Waffles.
Waffles. Okay, waffles. Wow. And Zingumal, okay. And Mahu. And Mahu. So who would you kill?
Because as an in fact.
Why not 2 shots? That's my So who would you kill?
Oh,
okay, and then who would you marry?
Guleo 5.
Yeah.
So we 4. So
4.
Waffles.
Okay.
Waffles.
And who would you smash?
Bonje.
Again, Kabuch.
Oh, Tulimpongol.
Tulimpongol. And then with you, Lorenzo, who would you smash between Gamo, Tuli,
Yeah.
Zingunalo and Uncle Waffles. Who would you smash? Who would you marry? Who would you kill?
Okay. Come phela sina some fire guy.
Wow.
Now,
Okay.
Four.
Okay.
Okay. Oh. I'll smash lamp. Z shit, yeah.
You'd smash Z. Okay.
Zingman.
Oh shit.
Okay. And who would you marry?
Mahu.
Mahu. Oh wow. Mahu is gorgeous.
Yeah.
And who would you kill?
Konje shot abani.
Who would you kill?
Kusho kahle kanje wena ubulala uthuli.
Yeah, kule list konje. Yeah, uthula yeah, sharp.
Oh,
Okay, now speaking of that, ne,
Yeah.
what do you guys think of later days Suguti? I'm a producer, I'm a vocalist,
Nice.
and use them, but abuse in my position about because I know you've seen that. Cool. What's your take on that?
mina ngazi ngayibona
Okay, sharp. But then what's your
ndengizingeni.
take on that? Outside. Ngiyazi akakayiboni, but what's your take?
Zinge.
Hayi mina lezi ziningi ngizingeni indaba zabantu. Ukuthi bani uyenzani? Basuke bayenzani?
Basuke
No,
bakhulumile.
phela yazi why ngibuza outside.
Yeah.
Because now you're most likely ungacabanga ukuthi cause umjida that's not going to happen to you. Yeah, now you're most likely to fall under the same situation. It's just that maybe maybe qala ukurecord, maybe zabusoqedile ukurecord, but now you need the go ahead or whatsoever.
Angizimiselanga ukuthi ngizingene.
Showcase.
Okay, it's too short.
Ngizovele ngibabheke ngizibhekele. Shayibhonga.
Or what's your take, Big Dog?
Khona mina ngangazi ngathi ngikhothman because basuke bakhulumile labantu uzothini nami.
No, I thought in most cases in Tanzania it's into ukuthi
Oh ngizokufaka igame
yeah, mina ubos uyazi ukuthi I am influential and powerful. I can make this thing happen for her. So I'm using that to my advantage. Akusase into ukuthi no kuyawufreya grande. No, it's a thing of saying you need me and you know it. So by default you will give.
Ayaphetha ama-changes ayaphetha.
Angithanda.
Ayaphetha. Tengayisho ayaphetha.
Wona lawa yenza leyo.
Wona lawa
Yeah, I would
yenza
want
leyo.
That's why singazingeni.
Showcase.
Yeah,
So besides music, is there any other thing you guys want to do in the entertainment industry besides like singing? Is there any path? Because you're still young.
Yeah.
The world is your oyster. Is there anything that you're like, okay, I'd like to act, I'd like to present, I'd like to dance? You know, what are other hobbies that maybe you would like to do?
So mina ngifuna ukuvisa ibrand yami yabo business lami.
Okay.
Yabo. Bengithini brand.
Okay.
Cozy
Alright.
way.
Nice.
Yeah.
Why Cozy the name?
Yeah, zangithi mina ngihlezi
Cozy.
cozy.
Okay.
Mangavusa business lami.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And you,
Those are our rights.
And you, Lorenzo?
Mina sister acting.
Okay.
Nepola sezingishilo nepola yeah.
Excuse me?
Ipola ni acting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, in
Mara
Nepal.
acting kakhulu.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's your favorite actor in South Africa? Top 5, top 2, top 3. Amajida.
Amajid. Laba abanye ngwazi amagama abo straight.
Ungagama angithi ama-character.
Correct.
Okay. Tiki tiki.
Yeah, I like it.
I don't think
Ngithanda-
so. I don't
I
think.
like it.
Yeah, ngithanda le style sakhe yabona.
Ghetto.
Le character yakhe yeah.
Yes.
Ngangena nje nangisho.
Inspire.
Ngathi ngazala everyday le nto leya.
Really?
Yeah.
Just for him?
Ifane nozalo idlala everyday kanje.
Tiki tiki. Bani umuntu. Bani ungichaza do you know my fashion?
Yeah, my fashion.
Yeah.
Love it.
Actor group.
Yeah,
Majavin.
love
Udume ngale movie kaMajavin.
Yeah, machavi.
Nice.
Naye nje style sakhe bani Israel Mukai. Oh why?
Yamazi
Yeah, role
is
model
like, yeah,
again.
izinja ke.
Yeah, role model.
Ama-icon
Yeah,
ke
yeah.
lawo ke. And mina T-shirt?
Mina into acting like angibukeli TV. Ngibukela nje u320 ngizibheke nami.
Showcase.
Yabo.
Phume kanje.
Angibukeli TV.
So, how do you make your music? Like, what would take me through? Like, what inspires it? Is there a spark? What happens when you create your music? You know.
Ngilalela
why-
ibeat.
Okay.
Yabona ibeat ngiyalifunda.
Okay.
Ngiyarida ukuthi kumele ngigibele kanje. Uyane ngeflow phela mawugibela. Kumele ugibele uyizwe ukuthi angeke ushaya into engekho yabo. Kumele ngilalele iflow yami ukuthi yenzani. Beat lihamba kanjani, lihamba fast. Yabo into ezinjalo. So ngiyarida kuqala mina ibeat.
Okay.
Yeah, enye into yini message yengoma.
Okay.
Message yengoma.
Okay.
Yeah, ibeat into sozashilo shit ibeat kumele uqale umamela ibeat grand ulifuna uunderstand nalento ibhalayo imessage uyizwa ukuthi yapi umuntu makayimamele uzofilana uzothini ngithola into ezinjalo. Yeah.
And then which people in the industry have you met that you were fans of? You were like, oh my God. How was it?
Cowboy. When we were like basically same studio,
Yeah,
so
same studio.
we passed. Yeah. Yeah.
That's the man. And how was that for you guys?
Yo, I
It's
was
juggling.
dreaming.
You were what?
I was dreaming.
How long ago was this? When this happened? Like, when was this? When this happened?
Kwenzeke nini? Last year.
Chase phuma last year.
Phume nini?
Chase
Ukuthi nginey'ngoma eziningi kabi manje.
2023.
Mara ngahlangana nabo noma sekudala.
2023 yakapasta.
And which stages have you performed at where you were like, I'm with this is the lineup, and I'm also here. Which performance was that? Where it was like a lot of big people, and you guys also part of that. The highlight.
Ayinkinga nama event engiwanayo.
Seniyikumaningi kakhulu where there's big
Maningi.
people.
Uzofika ushaya sponsor.
Yeah, mangifika mina ngiyayenza. Phela ngisanokulala nje endleleni mangale sengifikile. Mara sikude. Cabanga. Sengivuka vele sengiperform.
So manje going back to what you should know with ngoma sesibaya abafethu yabo. Kuzo zonke ingoma ku-catalog right now is that which is that one song othi no noma bangathini mfana nani nengoma yami engifaka ngayo on any given day noma ngathiwa
Ngoqo.
Yeah.
Ayakhala
with
amajita
Steady
awuthi
Kane
awukhiphe
Okay.
imali.
with Steady Kane
Yeah.
showcase
Ngoqo.
and for you
Cause
Nandaba zayizolo mina le Aisha.
adi ngicela hadi ukukhatha adi ungabuye
leya ngoma leya vele ngiyenzele like abantu abangakhiphi imali. Angeke sithi so jive wena uze ne 30 rand sikhipha ama 500 ama 700 uza nge 30 rand so ngacabanga ukuthi khona into emele ngiyenze
Okay.
abantu
ngoqo.
Yeah, khona bazorelate
because
vele
intenze
baningi.
abantu abathina ababhaya
And also speaking of that, what do you hope your music does to us?
Ini
What do you hope your music does to us? Like,
Ngifuna
what do you
nikhale.
want your music to what's the message with
That's
your
good.
music with the people?
Mina ngifuna nijive
Okay.
nikhali.
All right.
Yeah, because ngisanokukhalisa ngisanokujivisa.
Okay.
Yeah.
na mina into engiyifunayo funa ningimamele manje ngibona nje mangivela ngekhona shotgun ngimemeze into engijabulisa kakhulu.
Wela spam manje sithunya sky too yeah
So what is the plans again for Shotgun and Lorenzo like within the next year? Are you guys gonna release something, an EP? Are you guys
Yeah,
gonna go
so
on a
drop
tour?
EP.
Yeah, amathuba amaningi azayo.
Okay,
sekuthi nje sesimele confirmation
okay.
details yonke lenyaka nyaka.
Okwamanje sisalungisa i-EP. Tsara I think izodropa if not November, October.
Okay,
Yeah,
October.
yeah. If not
Okay.
October, November. Sisanje ilungisa izinto ama-distribution and stuff.
And then what message do you have to young people out there who also want to be in the industry like you guys? You know,
Into
as young as
engayisho.
you are.
Into engayisho iba uwe. Ungaye
Yeah.
ngabantu iba uwe.
Authenticity.
Yeah, uzitshela ukuthi uyayenza leyo nto leyo oyenzayo. Noma ungabe yini lo yenzayo uzitshela ukuthi uyayenza. Believe in what you're doing.
Yeah, mina ngathi banga give up abafethu. Ba give up. And mase bangenile ngalahlwa ifame and stuff. Ngithola khona
Ajikile abantu.
yeah, ngajikela abantu. Ngazikhohle ukuthi ubuyaphi futhi. Yeah, ngazikhohle ukuthi ubuyaphi.
so now speaking of that ever since you guys touched down angazi nabanabo abantu ukuthi maybe manje angisafike nabo or maybe ngibuyelane nabo ababe baba naleyo nto kini but hayi lezi sezitshentshile or maybe yabo amajita awasasibhekeli azitshela yabo intonyana ezinjalo
Yeah, akhona mina amanye amajita asekasilam. Acanga maybe abacanga ukuthi mina ngibajikele and akuthi angibajikele. Umuntu othanda ukuhlala nentona yami manje angithi ngihlale 12, ngihlale 11 manje ngihlezi 11. Kuba ngathi mina manje sengibashaya ngeke.
makana khona nesipana
Stand.
Yabo
nebrand yenu into eyi-one
abafuni ke le abafuni kuyizwa ke le. babangathi intwana yami uze ne-rider
abekho-grand for
babangathi intwana yami i-rider abaqedile.
Well, guys, thank you so much for coming. Such a nice convo. Ngiyacabanga ukhethe ufuna ukubalelisa ababukeli out there. Katlego.
Bafethu bekumnandi ukubalana njengoba nibona izinto zifikile, izinto za-underground eziyithatha ziyise kuphi lejikelele emhlabeni zibe nathi za-enjoya. We had a quarter, sachila, you know, just how we do it, give us something. It's a baggy man, it's a baggy scam. So, Jack.
Jack.